Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Hostinger hosting and host your website for the very first time. If you're new to web hosting, then you should know if you are looking to create your own website and want people to access it, then you need hosting. And for that, I have this Hostinger, one of the best and affordable web hosting company, and I'm just going to create an account over here and get their business plan, which is very cheap as compared to others. So right now, as you can see, if I click on pricing, then you will see different sections on the website and the plans. The first one is premium, the second one is business, and the third one is unlimited, but the one which I am interested in is the business plan. If I choose this plan, I can show you how it's gonna cost me if I go for their highest billing period, which is 48 months. So with this, I get to save a lot of money, around $768, as there is a sale. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Not only that, I'm also going to apply one coupon code which is exclusive to me since I am their partner. So let's apply that and see how much savings I have after the application of this coupon code. So here you go, I get $10 extra, which means now I only pay $157.49 for 4 years of hosting, and that is a business hosting plan. And when I go for 48 months of period, I also get 3 months extra, which means I'll be getting 51 months of hosting at just $157.49. Not only that, I also get a free .com domain name with this plan, and it is going to be for 1 year only. Please keep that in mind as well. So what I can do is I just need to continue and create my plan. For that, I just need to log in here. I can either register using my Google account or Git account, but I'll be using my own email ID that I have to create an account. So let me do it and come back to you. After registering the account, they will ask you for the billing address. Just provide this address and you'll be good to go, and you can make the payment then. So let me do that and come back again. So I have applied the billing address. I have filled up the billing address form. Now it is asking for the payment, and I can use many payment methods. One of them is UPI, which is perfect for people who are in India like me, and those who are not from India, they can go for other methods such as card, PayPal, and they can even find more methods when they are logged in from their country. So I'm going to use UPI, the simplest method to make the payment. So let's do that. I'll just complete the payment and get back to you in a minute. Alright, so the payment is done, and here you can see it says congrats, your journey begins now. Set up your services right away to start using them. So I can click on get started or let it auto load. So when you have purchased the hosting, this is the page you see for the first time. It will ask you, hello, who is this website for? Either you can answer these questions or simply skip like me. Now it is asking me do you want to create or migrate a website? Since I already have a website which I'll be bringing to Hostinger, so I'll be using this method later on, but right now I just wanted to show you, and in my next video you will see how I go about creating the website for the very first time. So when you log in for the very first time, this is the home page of Hostinger, and on this page you will see claim your free domain option. Since we did get this with our business hosting plan, we can go ahead and claim the domain anytime we want, and it will be valid for a year. And I can definitely go for the .com domain, and I'll do that later on. But when we click on websites, you will see the plan we got, business plan, and we can set up that plan anytime we want. But let's go to this section as well, migrations. We can also migrate our websites from other hosts to this, but I'll be showing you a simple tutorial and Using that, you can easily migrate your website from another host to Hostinger if you use WordPress. It is super easy. So don't worry, I'll be creating another video in which I'll be showing you all the processes that are required to do. For this video, I showed you the homepage of Hostinger, how to claim the domain name. I'll be creating a separate video for that as well, and all the options that are there to explore. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you.